Ditch the guesswork and unlock powerful website insights with Google Analytics 4. Set up perfectly inside Google Tag Manager. First things first, open your Google Tag Manager account and select the container for your website. If you need a refresher, make sure you have a Google Tag Manager account which is already installed on your website. Click on Tags in the left-hand menu, then click on New to create a new tag. Now, let's configure your tag. Click anywhere inside of Tag Configuration box to begin. From the tag type list, select Google Analytics GA for configuration. This is your starting point. You'll need your measurement ID from your Google Analytics 4 property. Open a new tab. Go to your Google Analytics 4 account. Navigate to Admin, then Data Streams, and finally select your website's data stream. Copy the measurement ID shown. Back in Tag Manager, paste your measurement ID. You will make sure to send a page view event when this configuration loads box is checked. Now, click on the box that says triggering to specify when this tag will fire. Choose all pages as your trigger. This will ensure the tag fires on every page. Click Save. Finally, click Submit. Verify the changes. You should test it on your website and view the data in Google Analytics 4. Congratulations! You've linked Google Analytics 4 to your website through Google Tag Manager, unlocking better website tracking.